Hello, welcome back. So, last time I didn't upload uh, because you have private stuff to do and that's it. In the meanwhile, I get this set from TS Prof. Let me zoom in. And yes, this is a set of 5 you can buy online. And what's the price? Depends where you get it from. But you have to see online what the current prices of this set is for the hexscrew, for the toes and that kind of stuff. So I had an old room laying around, so I mounted on this computer table and yeah, with few tie ribs, so you can get it off if you want to. And it's nice to have something in reach without thinking. And yes, I have probably must highlight it there. So yes, I'm happy with that. So what is this all about in this video? Not about that. So let me zoom in. Zoom. We took a little bit down. Yes. And okay. I'm not happy with the lights. What is over here? I'm not happy. I think I go with this. Okay. So I already have sharpening this. This is a multi-tool from the Royal Navy in the Netherlands. So let's see what is inside. I think I get you closer and we go from there. Okay, I don't know who the manufacturer is from this multi-tool, but if you see it have enough features. So out of focus, come on. Okay. I probably do it on manual. Okay, this is where it is. Okay. So you have your saw over here. Yes, you have your saw. You have your screwdriver. Oh, stay in the picture. You have your screwdriver, you have your can opener, and you have your file. Also applies as a flat screwdriver. So, I need a little bit of oil, but we will get in there. So snaps in place. So we have here a little screwdriver and a bottle opener, Phillips screw, and I think you can probably get, if you are fishing on hook with this, it's not sharp or that kind of stuff. There is enough tools what you can work with. I already sharpening this. It's sharp. Okay. And it's spring, have a spring. If you can see, yeah, that doesn't work if you have autofocus off. Okay, it's have a spring. So that's nice. That's nice. So the grip is also it's good. It's not slippery or that kind of stuff. So, I will let you see the process of the sharpening of this multi-tool. This is what I say. It is from the Royal Navy, from the Netherlands. They are, if I understand, they are moving up to Leatherman, but I don't know for sure. It's, it's not the only knife that I'm sharpening for the military person. I had here another one. You have seen this one from previous video. I had this one is younger. It's also a knife for the Dutch Army. It's a little bit different. If you see, you have here a ring that you can pull out the knife, and you have here an old style with a nail. With spring. There's also with spring that holds the knife. So, okay, but today we are sharpening this one, and enjoy the video.
you.